Ever since its introduction in 2021, the DJI Air 2S has garnered immense popularity within the DJI product range. It manages to bring a host of premium features typically associated with the Mavic series, all packed into a compact drone that comes at a more affordable price point. Finally, DJI has delivered on this anticipation with the introduction of the highly anticipated DJI Air 3. Distinguishing between the two drones is a breeze, primarily due to the prominent dual-camera module position at the drone's front and center. This notable addition sets the new DJI Air 3 apart from its predecessor, the DJI Air 2S. To uncover all the modifications and upgrades, we conducted an in-depth analysis of the DJI Air 3 and Air 2S to find out which one you should go for.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
The DJI Air 3 features a refreshed design aligning with the aesthetics of DJI's latest drones like the Mavic 3 Pro and Mini 3 Pro. The drone showcases slimmer arms, a sleek back camera housing, and a reduced overhang above the gimbal, enabling users to capture low-angle shots with ease. Moreover, the Air 3 is bigger than the Air 2S in all aspects, whether it's folded or unfolded. Additionally, it carries an extra 125-gram weight, bringing its total weight to 720 grams. While you may notice the variance in your backpack, in terms of regulatory considerations, the difference between the two drones is relatively minor. The Air 3 has undergone a sensor arrangement overhaul, offering omnidirectional obstacle sensing capabilities, a significant improvement over the Air 2S, which lacks lateral obstacle sensing. Moreover, the Air 3 stands out with its dual camera setup, whereas the Air 2S is equipped with just a single camera. We'll delve deeper into the specifics of these cameras shortly. One of the most prominent distinctions in the camera systems lies in the fact that the DJI Air 3 offers a dual lens setup, providing users with two lens options to choose from, unlike the single lens on the Air 2S. Drawing inspiration from the success of the Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera array, the Air 3 also incorporates the fantastic 70mm focal length, which has proven to be a highlight for photography enthusiasts. By opting for the longer lens on the DJI Air 3, you can capture scenes from a significantly distinct perspective, setting your footage apart from the usual drone shots that often utilize wide fields of view. The use of this longer lens adds a unique and eye-catching quality to your videos, making them stand out in comparison to the more common drone footage captured with wide-angle views. While the sensors on the DJI Air 3 are slightly smaller than the 1-inch sensor found in the Air 2S, they incorporate more advanced technology. The Air 2S features a 20-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, whereas the Air 3 boasts dual 48-megapixel stacked CMOS sensors at 1/1.3 in size. This enhancement not only results in higher resolution still images, but also enables faster readout, allowing for impressive slow-motion recording at up to 4K at 100 FPS. In contrast, the Air 2S can only achieve a maximum of 1080p at 120 FPS for slow-motion footage. Although the Air 3 offers a maximum video resolution of 4K, slightly lower than the 5.4K resolution of the Air 2S, it manages to outshine its predecessor in terms of video quality for both cameras. Despite the lower resolution and slightly smaller sensors, the footage captured by the Air 3 appears noticeably superior. The most noteworthy enhancement to the flying experience comes with the introduction of the O4 transmission system in the Air 3, which enables you to fly at greater distances while enjoying a stronger and more reliable video signal. Moreover, the O4 system exhibits superior performance in penetrating through obstacles like walls and foliage, surpassing the capabilities of the previous O3 system. This advancement significantly improves the overall flying experience with the Air 3. The O4 image transmission system provides up to 1080p at 60 fps monitoring with a substantial 10 mbps bitrate, far surpassing the meager 12 mbps offered by the O3 downlink. This means that while you're flying, you can enjoy a much clearer and more detailed view of your final image, enabling you to make more precise adjustments, even focusing manually from a considerable distance. The improved video stream quality takes the aerial experience to a whole new level with the DJI Air 3. Now, when it comes to flying abilities, the DJI Air 3 excels and surpasses the Air 2s in nearly every aspect. It boasts slightly higher speeds in both horizontal and vertical movements and exhibits greater resistance to higher wind speeds. Additionally, the Air 3 provides an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes per battery, which is a significant improvement compared to the Air 2s that used to offer 31 minutes of flight time. Overall, the Air 3 proves to be a superior performer in various crucial aspects. When the DJI Air 2s was first released in April 2021, it had an initial price tag of $999. However, over time, the price has been lowered to $799, making it somewhat more affordable. On the other hand, the DJI Air 3 launched at a slightly higher price point of $1,099. In conclusion, undoubtedly the DJI Air 3 takes the crown as the superior drone in various aspects. It excels in flight performance, offering smoother flying capabilities and an extended flight time. Moreover, its camera setup with dual lens options further sets it apart, enabling users to capture exceptional footage from different perspectives. However, the Air 2s is far from irrelevant. It has benefits of its own, such as larger sensor, higher resolution video capture, and a more compact and lightweight design. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.